Hi everyone, welcome to the new episode of the geography that is rocks. In the previous class we learned about the crust and different type of the crust layers. In this class we learning about the rocks and different type of the rocks and the rock cycle as well. So what do you mean by rocks? Rocks are the solid inorganic substance that found in the crust, so that is called the earth. There are three different type of the uh, rock rocks, that is igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rocks. You can see the pictures of that: igneous rocks, sedimentary, and metamorphic rock. So, in the beginning, let us understand the igneous rock. What do you mean by igneous rock? Igneous rock means itself is telling that is the meaning of fire, derived from the Latin word ignis. So that means Agni. Ignis means Agni. So which is being formed the cooling of the molten matter of the earth, cooling of the molten magma, that is called the igneous rocks. So just understand, dear students, there is a two types of igneous rock. One is intrusive igneous rock and extrusive igneous rocks. Before that, let us understand that is a magma. Okay, this is the magma. It is inside of the earth. So when it will be coming out, so then it will be coolen, then it will become a igneous rock. Then due to some weathering, so then it will be turned into the part of it, then it is a sedimentary rock. So as I said that, so it was taking, and after taking that pressure and the heat, it will be turned into the metamorphic rock. This is called the rock cycle. So let us go to the back and igneous rock. In the igneous rock, there is two type of igneous rock. One is intrusive, another one is extrusive. Let us understand about it. So see, try to understand whatever. So this will be the earth layer inside of the earth. So okay, inside of the earth, the magma, so liquid, it will be molten liquid is there, it will coolen and it'll become turn into the rock. It is called the intrusive rock. When it is come out from the, okay, in inner side of the earth, when it is come out from the inner side of the earth, then what will happen? It like a volcano. So due to the volcanoes, it will be coming out. So then what will happen? After some time, it will be coolen and become a rock. This is called the extrusive rock. So try to understand that extrusive rocks as generally gain the glance, because lava after reaching the surface, as I said, that it will be coming out later, it is going to be. So so uh, the, uh, earlier itself, as I said, that when it is coming out, it, on the surface it coolen, then it will become. So there is a difference between the lava and the magma. Magma is, whatever the inner part of the molten state, that is called the magma. Outer state is called the lava. When it is come out from the earth and when it is reached to the surface of the earth, then it will be called as the lava. So, and the second important rock is sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock, it mean itself is sediment, mean it's a sedimentum, means itself settling down. That is a secondary rock. As I said that this is a secondary rock after the uh, s- uh, volcanic rock or else igneous rock. So lake, sea, ocean, this ocean bed, these are all the place we can able to see them. See, clastic, chemical, and organic. So sedimentary rock will not form immediately, but it will take some weather action, then it will be going to forming. So as I said that, uh, inorganic and organic, mechanically and chemically, they are going to forming in the sedimentary rock. So sedimentary rock are going to form mechanically and chemically. So that is inorganic. Organic, calcareous, Carbonaceous, okay, let it be. We'll understand the mechanical and chemical way. So mechanical, chemical, and organic. Organically formed sedimentary rock. These are the very important. The rock built by the fragment, pre-existing. Already one rock is there, pre-existing, produced by the process of weathering. Process of weathering something. So this is called the mechanical form. Mechanical form. So this will be like, weathering. Sunlight will be hitting, and waves, sea waves are hitting on it. It will be break down, and it will be going to be in a small part of the rocks, that is called the sedimentary or mechanically formed sedimentary rock. Chemical, chemical sediments are the commonly formed the rocks evaporation of the water content solution. For example, rock salt and gypsum. So this will be formed by chemically. And finally, organically formed sedimentary rocks. Organic sediments are the those derived from the accumulation of the organisms. So like shells, marine organisms, even the plants, animals. So organically they will form like limestone form, and it will become a rock. So that is called the sedimentary rock or organically formed sedimentary rock. I think these are the three important way we can see the formation of the sedimentary. Last and final will be the this metamorphic. Metamorphic rock is the tertiary rock as the final after the igneous and sedimentary. This will be the metamorphic will be the tertiary one. Rock are those who are formed process of the metamorphism. Means metamorphism is nothing but pressure, pressures, and as well as the heat. Heat and pressure is the main objective to creating this metamorphic rocks like a granite, basalt, limestone, sandstone, coal, and the graphite. So these are all the different type of the three important rocks. So I think you understood this. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see the next class.